Stickers are one of the top-selling products on Etsy right now, and the kids' niche is trending fast, especially over the next few months. A lot of creators are jumping in, and if you wait too long, you might miss this opportunity. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to create digital stickers in Canva from start to finish. So let's get started. To begin, I'll set up the artboard size. Since we're creating a digital sticker set, I'll choose the A4 size. Once the Canva editor opens, the first thing to do is name your document. Next, I'll change the page background color. Now we'll start designing our digital stickers using Canva elements. Go to the Elements section on the left side menu and search for Bunny. I like this one, so I'll select it. To make the design more original, we need to customize it by adding more elements around it. Let's start by searching for a school bag. This one looks good. Place it neatly behind the bunny and then adjust the color to match the design. Next, I'll add one more element to make the sticker unique. This time, I'll search for a lunchbox. This one looks good as well, so I'll add it and change its color. Once all the design elements are ready, the next step is to add text to bring the sticker to life. Since this sticker is food-related, I'll write cute but hungry. The current font does not look good, so I'll change it. For this design, I'll use the Bubble Body Nui font and make it bold. Next, let's add a curve effect to make the design more cohesive. Go to Effects, select Curve, and adjust the curviness according to your preference. Now the design is complete, but it still doesn't look like a sticker. To fix this, we'll turn it into a proper sticker. First, add a new page and remove the background. Then, copy your sticker design and paste it onto the new page. Next, we need to download the design as a PNG. Go to the Share tab at the top and select PNG. Make sure to download only page 2 and enable transparent background. Once the file is downloaded, upload it back to Canva. Then go back to the first page, delete the original design, and select the uploaded image. Remove any extra empty space around it. Now we'll give it the sticker effect. Select the image, go to Edit Image, choose Shadow, and then select Glow. Adjust the settings as follows: Intensity 100%, Blur 0, Color White. Adjust the size until it looks like a sticker border. And with that, our first sticker design is complete. Now I will show you another example of how to use Canva elements to create an original sticker. This time, I'll search for cat. I like this one. Your design's original. Using the same method, I've created this cute animal digital sticker set, and I've shown you step-by-step how to design it using Canva elements and text. You can create similar sticker sets and sell them on Etsy. That's all for today's video. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more digital sticker tutorials.